Hello, everyone. Welcome to our final day of Free Zero and our community live stream. We're so excited to celebrate this awesome week with you all.
We're
Hey,
so
Ari.
excited.
Hey,
It's going to be
Esteban.
fun.
Amazing. Well, before we jump in, if you're new to community and you want to engage with us in the chat on our Vercel community, don't forget to click going on the event box. And if you can't see it, don't forget to be signed in with your Vercel account. We'll be pulling in some questions from that chat at the end of this session so that we can hear from all of you. But yeah, to kick it off, I mean, how was this week for you, Esteban and Ari? I was so excited the entire time that Free Zero was happening.
Huge fan. I think we saw some of the best v0 generations I have personally seen. And this is a high bar. We see some really, really good ones on the Vercel team. But I think this is one of the weeks where I was like, wow, people are building cooler things than we are building at Vercel. And that's awesome. We love to see it.
Yes, same for me.
Totally. I was like, I need to work on my prompting skills because some of these things I'm seeing are far superior to anything I've
I feel like usually I'm like a top 1% v0 user, and this week I was not even close, which is a little brutal.
We need to get back into it and start competing. I love it. Well, yeah, it was awesome. The energy on socials was totally electric, and we maxed out our number of users on Free Zero every day. We went in saying it was going to be available for 100K users per day. We hit that pretty quickly each day of the week. And we actually opened it up to everybody that requested credits, which was awesome. So it was truly Free Zero all around. Amazing. Okay, well, I want to take this time to just walk through live some of the amazing creations that we just talked about. So we're going to walk through kind of the most amazing creations that we saw on socials. If you all have others to share, please post them in the chat so that we can pull them up as well. But let's just jump into it and walk through the awesome creations that were made. We're going to look at some, and then we're going to share towards the end our winners and special honorable mentions.
I'm excited. Let's do it. I actually haven't seen any of these yet. Only Ali and Esteban have seen them. So this is going to be my live reaction to these.
That's fun.
True authentic reactions. There we go.
These are not pre-planned.
Okay.
Oh, amazing.
Wait, can we talk about what is the first category?
Ali? Yeah, the first. Yeah. So I think we're going through them in order. The first competition or challenge that we did was most innovative app. So we're going to be showing a couple that were submitted for the most innovative app part of our Free Zero week.
Cool.
This is a real demo, so I have this open on my laptop.
I love it. This one was one of my favorites. It brought me back to I used to do karaoke videos whenever my parents left the house on photo booth. Really? And I was like, okay. Yeah, I mean, great that I'm saying that live on the internet, but this was so much fun. I was playing around with it last night. You can add stickers, you can draw on it. I put a little v0 logo when I did mine. Oh, beautiful, Esteban.
I was going to say, this is I don't know if you guys in an elementary school when you had Macs, the thing they did not block was the photo booth app because it was a native Mac app. And this exactly we spent all of our time doing. This inverted theme right here was the coolest thing ever for me as an 8-year-old.
I love that. Yeah, this was so fun.
Work? Can we download?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, it downloads direct.
I love it.
Yeah, this one was by Rudy P on X. So amazing work.
For folks in the chat, I promise we are not going to give folks at Vercel prizes. We're not going to give our own prizes. Don't worry.
Amazing. Should we go to the next one?
Okay, yes.
Oh,
this is the most addictive game that I played in the last.
Is this
I tried to play this. Yeah.
This is a hard Space Invaders too.
Exactly. I tried to play this for 30 minutes yesterday, and I was like, maybe I'm just really bad at video games, but I kept losing. So I'm really glad Esteban is the one that's sharing his screen right now.
Wow.
This one was so fun. This one, I think,
definitely better than I am at this game. That's crazy.
Yeah, this one was by Jake. Jake at Galileo is the handle. Amazing.
Congrats to him. So let's go to the third one. So this is visualizer spectrum. So when I'm talking, you can see these waves. And also you can upload audio, music, wherever.
Wait, that's cool. I really like the actual like the waveform actually is very, very well built. I'm a huge
And
fan.
it's not purple.
And it's not purple blue gradient.
Let's go.
Huge win.
No, this was so cool. I uploaded a song, or I uploaded some audio yesterday, and it was just really awesome to just see all of the
Oh,
audio
can you
waves.
upload audio too, or is it live?
Yes.
Yeah. You can upload audio.
We gotta play a song. I guess maybe we don't have time right now, but at home after this I'm gonna put a song in there and see what happens.
This is sick. It's by Sarah Glotz on X.
That's cool. I love it.
Okay. This one is so cool. I think you can just click. Yeah. Perfect. I loved this one. This was by one of the folks in our community who created this for, I think, his daughter. It's like a Netflix style storybook app, and it like creates all these stories for you. So I guess at bedtime, instead of watching Netflix shows, you can read through these children's stories.
Oh, that's so cute. I love that it has. Oh wait, all the images are generated too.
Yeah, exactly. So fun.
I do not have any children, but if I did, I would also read them.
Yeah, I mean, you never know, nieces and nephews.
Stories from Storyflix.
Cool. Oh, amazing. Okay.
And this one is the last of the most innovative category. So, yes.
Wow. This is actually so funny because one of my favorite phrases is "put it in the Louvre." So you can actually literally put it in the Louvre. I love it.
That is true. You do say that a lot in Slack. Yeah, this one was by Melvin. And also, I don't know if audio is going to play, but if you turn on enable music in the top corner, there's like a little museum music that plays as you go through the session. It might not stream right now, but we'll share the links for people to check it out themselves. And this one was by Melvin.
Love it.
Melvin,
killed it. Okay, we just chose a couple to show on this stream. Definitely go back on socials and click through all of the amazing submissions that were shown, because there's much more where this came from for our most innovative app. That was day one of Free0.
I love it. And these weren't even the winners. These are just cool ones we thought.
Well, one of them might be the winners.
Oh, I see.
These were just cool ones that we pulled to show.
I love it.
All right, cool. Let's go through the best design showcase next. So we're just walking through some cool ones, and then we're going to select and showcase the winners, which might be some of these towards the end of the session.
I like it. Cool. Cool. These are the best, most innovative designs.
Yes. Okay.
I already
this one was a fan favorite in our Slack. Esteban, do you want to show what I can do?
Yes. Let's see. Wait me 1 second. Let's use a great video from an interview from Rauchi.
Okay, so the TLDR is you can like put in your own YouTube video and make it like a custom page that you want to share with somebody with all these like fun designs.
Is it doing the transcription?
Yes.
How did it do that fast? What?
It's crazy.
What? This is doing live transcription as the audio comes out?
Yes.
It didn't pre-compute the transcription?
No, that's insane.
What the? All right, someone needs to answer some optimization questions for me in the chat. How are you doing transcription this fast in real time? What model is this?
It's always great when Ari has questions himself about how v0 did something. That one was from Vlad on X. So amazing.
Actually, you can copy and paste the transcription, so it's like so good.
Oh shit! Okay, I'm gonna have to look at the code for this one. I'm intrigued.
Okay, so and you can also share the link with the transcription, so it's incredible. So
it seems like the YouTube one has transcriptions available. Okay, it's not generated on the fly, but still cool. Whoa.
Okay, this was another one for best design that was submitted by Mike Builds. This one got so much love on X. I think it's
Wait,
like
this is dope.
absolutely gorgeous.
This looks a lot like I don't know if you guys have seen like the old school Apple, or maybe it was an IBM ad.
Yes.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Was it IBM or Apple, Esteban? Do you know?
I think Apple. This one.
Oh,
you can see
the
it, but-
clicker of this is actually in chat right now.
Amazing.
Mike Creative Dev, was it inspired by the Apple ad, or is it just all you? I'll wait for him to respond. That's so cool. I'm a fan.
This was absolutely gorgeous. The internet loved it. I love this color of blue. I am so happy it's not purple. Okay, let's go to the next one for best design.
This
Wow.
one, it's so good.
Esteban loves this one. Esteban, you want to walk us through it?
Yes, of course. So this is like a storefront e-commerce, and this is actually already submitted to our community. So you can go to our community, fork it, and just build it your own.
Wow, this is awesome. This may be a personal favorite of mine.
Yes.
This is like all furniture that I would just want in my house, but would completely not fit the vibe of my apartment.
You can just change the vibe, Ali. Whoa!
There we go. Do a redesign. Yeah, isn't that sick?
That's awesome. That's genuinely awesome.
This one was
So
by Mo. And Mo is making this a template so people can create their own version in our community.
That's incredible. It seems like there's an OG image added to it too. I love it. People are asking if they can order the furniture for me. I don't know.
I'm
No.
also asking.
I too am asking in my not cool enough New York City apartment, can I actually have these kinds of furniture pieces? We're gonna find out. I think the answer is no, but
We'll see.
let's
Cool. Let's go to the next one. This one I think is on X. Yeah, okay. This was so cool.
what are we looking at here?
It's like a 3D card gallery where
Oh.
you can like zoom in and out and look at different cards. I mean, I don't collect Pokemon cards, but I would assume this would be something cool you could do with that.
Well, I think these are actually not Pokemon cards, Ali.
No, I know, but you can use this to showcase Pokemon.
I know you're too cool to have played Pokemon as a child, but this is not what they look like.
I did play Pokemon Go, so
Did you actually?
got into it late. Yeah. What else was there to do in the suburban?
Yeah,
parts
in
of the Bay
August
Area?
of 2020 when there was
Yeah.
nothing else to do. Yeah, I was there.
But yeah, this is amazing by
love
Patel.
that.
Okay, I think we're now getting into most useful work asset. S1.
Yes.
Okay, this challenge was one of my favorites because I oftentimes make slides in V0, and I think V0 is so good at making presentations and slides and dashboards and just things that can help you move faster at work or things that take a lot of time in general. So I was super excited to see what people submitted for this one.
If you have a different term that's better than work asset, please let us know in the chat.
Yes.
I think I came up with work asset, and even I didn't like that. So,
And not all the submissions were necessarily work related, nor were our winners. It was more about just like, can you create a really cool dashboard or productivity related?
maybe that's what it
thing.
should have been, like productivity booster. Like that maybe was a better name.
Yeah. Look at us ripping on this copy after
You know,
the fact.
everything is
Love that for us.
everything is ITG.
ITG.
Don't know, one of Propel and V0's core values is iterate to greatness. So we like to ship things very fast and then iteratively make them better really, really quickly based on feedback. And so we're gonna ITG on the name here. What we're gonna call this in the future.
For future challenges. They're coming, so watch out. Yeah, this one I think is by Leo. It's a CTO
Yes.
AI dashboard.
Leon Tunes.
Yes. This one was super fun, although someone commented that the CTO did not seem super productive based off of the stats that were in the dashboard.
All right. I'm going to tell Malta.
Amazing. Okay, this next one is by Aditya. And this one was another cool dashboard that was put together. I think if you actually click in to the settings or customize at the top, yeah, you can like hide and unhide different parts of the dashboard and make it more tailored towards whatever you're trying to do. We're big dashboard people at Vercel.
Let's see if I can find the slides that Max and I put together for one presentation in V0. And I know they're not eligible for the contest, but I want to show our version of this.
Okay, let's go to the next one, Esteban. I think this one is still in the chat. Yeah, okay. Can we reload it so people can see? Yeah. Oh. There we go. I love this. This part I thought was so cool. Okay, this is a smart home dashboard by AirZen. Sorry if I'm pronouncing people's names incorrectly. I think if you click into the different tabs, Esteban, like my apartments. Yeah, cool. So I think the idea here is that it's like you can track all of your different homes. This person clearly is very rich and has several homes. I have none. But you can track like the stats of the smart home devices and everything like that.
Very cool.
Love it. Another beautiful dashboard.
I love it. I'm a fan.
Okay. This one was one of my favorites because I am getting married next week and I wish that this existed a year ago when I started planning. But Jordan created an amazing wedding planner dashboard where you can go in and keep track of budget and the days until the wedding and RSVPs and everything. I mean, this is what full like businesses exist to do nowadays, and you can just now generate it in V0, which is amazing.
Wait, I like the theme too.
Yes.
I'm a fan of this like pastel, like cute color for a wedding planning app.
Yeah, actually it's pretty complete. You know, like they developed budget, vendors, timeline, all the pages.
Oh, wow.
Exactly. I was like, I needed this. Cool. I should have just built this.
For those who don't know, Ali's going to get married soon. So she's actively doing all of this. She's going to use your app. She's going to be your beta tester.
It's a little late. It's next week, but I will send this to all of my friends who are getting married. Okay, cool. Let's go to the next one, Esteban. Okay, this was one by one of our ambassadors, Ryan, who created this way that you can view tweets before you post them. So Esteban showing us an example. It's like kind of a Typefully alternative, it seems like, where you can preview stuff.
Wait, that's pretty cool. I like the live preview because I think in Typefully you have to like do your whole tweet and then you can like see a preview and it opens a new screen and you have to go back to it. I love this. Like, I love the fact that like live previews that.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's giving you stats on character count and readability and stuff. I like that. Does that also happen live? Oh, engagement rank. Oh, and it tells you what gets deranked based on links and stuff. That's super
exactly cool. Catch me using this 24/7 for
for those of you who don't know, there's a bunch of weird esoteric rules that govern engagement on X now. And one of them is like you can't have links in your messages, like those get deranked by the algorithm. So now you know, even if you don't know that that's true, you can test it out with tweet.exon.dev.
Nice, Ryan. So this one's awesome.
I have your links, Ari. So if you want to present.
Oh yeah. So here are the Vercel contributions here. This is Max. We did a quick talk or actually Max did a quick talk at one of our conferences last year. And this is the like slide deck we built for it. We did build this in like 15 minutes before the presentation, but still pretty cool if you flip through it a little bit. It has like the Vercel ship logo. It uses Geist as the font. We had like this different color highlight on each tab. If you just like go through all of them quickly. Actually, this is also a presentation about how we use Vercel to build V0. And yeah, it's in our traditional Vercel minimalist all black on black with a tiny hint of color style. And if you look at the next one, it's actually a remake of Google Slides in v0, which you can also use to preview slides. So if you click slideshow on that, yeah, it actually
So cool.
And I think G has actually used this a few times to actually do real. I have definitely used this a few times at workshops and at presentations and stuff. And G actually uses this pretty frequently, I think, when he actually does presentations himself. So these are not in contention, but cool things we use v0 for at work.
Amazing. We have a few others that weren't submitted for official challenges, but I want to kind of show so that we can see more cool stuff that people are doing with the new v0.
Let's do it.
Amazing. Okay. Let's go to full screen on this. This is by another one of our ambassadors, Jared, who created this video editing app. Esteban, I think you could use this. Esteban is our in-house resident video editor at the moment. He's learning how to do a bunch of stuff and is awesome. But this was sick. It like does so many different
Green Studio integration when.
Exactly.
Wait, this is awesome. Also, video editors are so hard to use and like and I don't know, even if you look up a free video editor to do something simple like clip a video, they're like 850 of them, all of which are paywalled and don't work very well. The fact that this just works is crazy.
I love it. Amazing job, Jared. Okay. This one, again, another one of our ambassadors. Our ambassadors are amazing. And by the way, if you're interested in being a v0 ambassador, you can go to v0.app/ambassador and apply and learn more about that program.
And I think actually the winners of this challenge will be offered.
Oh my God, you're spoiling the surprises, Ari. It's fine.
Sorry.
This is true. This is true. The winners of these challenges will also become v0 ambassadors now that the cat is out of the bag. There you go.
He's going to give me a talking to after this.
It's okay. It's all good. He just got excited. This one is from our ambassador, Rob, who's amazing. And Rob has been posting a lot about what he is building in v0. Esteban is showing multiple of Rob's different creations, but he posted this globe or these like tips and tricks for how to build globes and 3D objects in v0 on his X account. So definitely check that out if you are needing to build any 3D items or globes. Rob is like absolutely killing the game with v0.
React globe. I did not know this library existed.
Okay, this next one is a fun one, again by one of our ambassadors, Sabina. I think she created this game to learn French, and I was, again, very bad at it. Video games is not my specialty.
Yeah, I love the little ratatouille, like, right.
I know, I think she was like immediate cease and desist from Disney. But this one was so fun. So you can play around with these different vegetables and learn how to say them in French.
What happens when you turn on the stove?
Let's click it. Oh my God. Amazing.
So good.
Oh, it gets progressively more difficult.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so now you need to know which one's which. Okay. Aubergine.
Esteban, you're learning French live.
I really don't know what is aubergine.
Courgette is I want to say the cucumber. Yeah,
yes.
I know French too.
Okay. That's enough.
Wait, you're so good at this.
Wait, we got to get to level 3.
We have to get to level 3.
From I think.
Cheese. That one I know.
Okay. Nice.
I love this look like animation.
We are cooking.
I know. I'm like actually gonna go play this. I feel like this is better than Duolingo.
We need more levels.
Yes.
Maxed out. Okay. Amazing. we're gonna now get into what everybody has been waiting for, our honorable mentions and winners. So originally we were just going to have one winner for each of the challenges who will receive $2,500 in V0 credits, $250 in cash, and added perk. Yes, Ari already mentioned this. They get to become a V0 ambassador and get all the perks that come with ambassadorship, including more credits for V0, swag, access to our shared ambassador channels, and just being able to rep V0 to their audience and communities. We did choose 3 winners, but we also are going to highlight a couple of projects that are honorable mention who will be receiving $50 in V0 credits each for their contributions to these challenges. So we're going to kick off with the honorable mentions, and then we will go through and announce the winners. And as a hint, all of the folks that we have chosen for honorable mention and winners, we've already gone through their creation live. So you'll get to see it again, and you'll get to see that they are either honorable mention or the winner. So let's kick it off, Esteban. Let's start with honorable mention for most innovative app. We have 2 for this one.
Okay, first one.
Drum roll.
This is
Waiting into
We
anticipation.
did the drum roll too early.
Ari and I got too excited. It's fine.
sorry. I'm just figuring out. Okay. Perfect.
Okay. Yay. First honorable mention is this amazing photo booth app by Rudy P. So congratulations. We will contact you via DM to set up your V0 credits for honorable mention. So make sure you have DMs turned on. Yay. I wish there was like
Let's go.
confetti that we could have on the screen.
Yes.
Okay. Next honorable mention for most innovative app is this amazing Louvre application by Melvin. So congratulations, Melvin. Honorable mention
Woo!
for most innovative app. This was awesome.
Now you have to take your V0 Louvre to the Louvre and then send us a photo.
Yes, there we go. Okay, we're going to get into honorable mention for best design. So let's pull up the first one. Okay. Yay! This was, as I mentioned, a fan favorite. Vlad, congratulations. Honorable mention for best design. Again, please make sure you have your XDMs turned on so we can reach out to you to get you your $50 in credits. This was awesome. You saw Ari's mind be blown live on the live.
My mind was blown live.
Okay.
Second
Next
one.
up for best design, we have 3 for honorable mention here. Number 2 is this 3D card viewer by Patel, which is awesome, and not Pokemon cards right now, but maybe could be if I create my own version. I mean, that API is free, right? So I can fork it. And there we go. Okay, amazing. Congratulations, Patel. All right, last honorable mention for best design is this amazing storefront that we all ogled over. So this one was by Mo. Congratulations, Mo. I'm excited to go and fork your template and build something similar myself. Okay. Next up, we'll do honorable mentions for most useful work asset, aka productivity, aka anything else that people suggest we call this challenge in the chat. Okay, the first one was this one by Aditya. Amazing work. This one was awesome. We are excited to have you build more with V0 with your $50 in credits. So awesome work. And then
moving
this
on.
is the next one for honorable mention. Ari, you're so excited. The next one for honorable mention, this is our last honorable mention, then we have the winners, I promise, is this smart home dashboard by Airzen.
I love this. I missed this animation earlier. That animation is so
yes,
cool. Yes,
that's my favorite part. It's so good. Okay, congratulations, Airzen. Again, please have your XDMs open so that we can send you your $50 in credits. Okay,
and
now here we go. We're going to showcase the winners. So there's one winner for each of these categories. Ari has been waiting to get here this entire time. He's so
I have.
excited. So first, we're going to announce the winner for Most Innovative App. And again, they're getting $2,500 in V0 credits, $250 in cash, and they get to become a V0 ambassador. So let's do a drum roll this time. The winner for Most Innovative App is this game by Jake. I played this, as I said, for like 45 minutes last night. It's very addicting. Everyone should go check it out. Congratulations, Jake. We will contact you via XDMs about your prizes, so please have those open. And thank you for participating.
I built this recently, so we have like
oh, heck yeah. Confetti time. There we go. All right. Next up is the winner for Best Design. So let's get a drum roll going again.
Boom.
Okay. Best Design is this beautiful site by Mike Builds, who's in our live. So congratulations, Mike. You killed it. This is amazing. Should we do the confetti? Yes, please. Now you got me excited about it. We need to do it every time. Okay, and last but not least, we have our third and final winner for the week of Free Zero, most useful work asset / productivity thing. Winner is, drum roll. This one, this wedding planner by Jordan. So congratulations, Jordan. As I said, I'm going to send this to all of my friends. Wish it existed a couple months ago. But congratulations. This was amazing. And I love that it's so built out and you can actually engage with it in so many different ways. So again, please have your XDMs open.
BG foreground, BG background for the modal needs to be changed.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
That's ITG.
That's part of our feedback, like early feedback.
There we go. Okay, so those are our 3 amazing winners. Congratulations again, and thank you so much to everybody for participating in this week of Free Zero. We're going to have more challenges and fun things coming up in the future, so please be on the lookout and let us know if you enjoyed Free Zero, what you want to see more of. And yeah, next week, we also will be paying attention to all of the complaints and bugs that you guys have pointed out. So be on the lookout. We're paying attention now, but next week we'll have something special where we go even deeper. So be on the lookout for that and have your feedback ready. Okay. I want to go into the community and answer some questions that we have in the chat. Esteban, if you want to pull some of those up, and then we will get those answers.
Yeah, while Esteban's pulling them up, please continue to leave feedback in the app. A member of the team looks at every piece of feedback that gets sent. So especially if you click the feedback button in the top right or download or upvote a particular message, we will look at that, and that's how we're prioritizing things to make fixes to. You should see dramatically better. We got your feedback on designs on agent mode not being as good as the previous version. We made a bunch of updates to that. You should see much better designs as one shots as of yesterday. And besides that, we made improvements to agents' reliableness. You should see fewer timeouts, fewer parser errors, and just better performance overall. Yeah, keep giving us feedback.
Amazing. Well, it looks like we don't have any questions in the chat. People are just so hyped up about all of the V0 creations that we've been sharing. So we will let everyone go and explore all the other V0 creations that are out there on the interwebs this week. Make sure you check them out. Make sure you hype people up for their Free Zero contributions. We were so impressed. I think we said this already a bunch of times, but we need to level up our own prompting skills. So I'm going to spend my weekend looking at all of these creations and trying to build some stuff myself. So amazing work, everybody. Thank you so much for participating, and we will see you very soon.
See you guys later.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye, everyone.